Hello there, this is Saul from DSI. Welcome to my wiki blog. Today we will discuss the necessary tools and solutions for the second prosthetic stage of the treatment. And yes, we got you covered. The PK001 prosthetic kit holds all the necessary tools and drivers to make the work done. Those of you who are using the DSI implant system know how simple and minimalistic we keep it when it gets to placing the abutments. From the cover screw, including healing caps, temporaries, overdenture, like locators, ball attachments, multi-units, CAD-CAM, tie bases, everything that I've mentioned could be put using only one driver. 1.25 of our American colleges, 0.050 hex is the only tool you need. So from one part of the equation, you see all the tools you won't need for this part. If you're using the two-stage implant treatment, or maybe you get the heritage from other doctors, the patient that already have the implant placed inside and all you need is the major restorations, so you don't need everything connected to the implant placement. You don't need the drills, you don't need the implant placement drivers, but from the other side you need the maximum surgical flexibility. You want to see many length of drivers, you want to cover as many options as possible, to put it by hand, to put it with the ratchet, to put it using your physio dispenser and contra-angle. So this is the idea of the PK001, to summarize all the tools that you would need and remove the tools that you won't need at the prosthetic stage. Let me show you. PK001 prosthetic kit. Let's cover it top to bottom. At the top level you have the ratchet wrench, which covers all the prosthetic recommendation from 10 to 40 Newton centimeter of torque. So it could be selected like this, and you work on the, in this case I put 20, which is the recommendation for the temporaries. This is the long and this is the short line, so basically you would find longer tools here for the ratchet, for the motor mount contra-angle connection, hand driver for the manual placement, my personal favorite, a ratchet to motor mount, which allows you to connect any ratchet tool directly to your contra-angle and continue to work this way. Here you could also find special tool which we call an angle driver. Right now it's used only for the DSI angulated tie bases. The dome shape star head allows you to angulate it, reach and access and still achieve the grip even on 25 degrees. But for this you need a special screw, and special screw supplied with the DSI tie bases, angulated tie bases. So this is the tool you need for very special scenarios, but as I told you, we want to cover all the possible scenarios you have while restoring the DSI implants. This is the hand adapter. You could connect, for example, the motor mount, anything with the latch grip, you could connect like this, and you get your own special custom manual tool. Okay, in the short line, this is the short ratchet, very short motor mount, for example in anterior zone, only you don't need the extra reach. Short hand driver, a special driver for the multi-unit. Only in the premium line 1.4 straight multi-unit you have the option to do something very beautiful and strange, to restore the single crown using the multi-unit system. In sake of this we put the hex on the upper part of this type of the multi-unit, but in order to torque it down you need a special tool. So this is the tool for the straight multi-units from the premium 1.4 line. All the rest will work just with the normal 1.25 connection. This is the ratchet head adapter. In case you want to connect any of your large grip Just as example, you put the angulated tie base, you want to torque it down using the ratchet, so you go like this, then you connect it to the ratchet and work normally. So those are the tools you would find in this kit. In case you have some special tool you want to use, or maybe you restoring the other platforms, so we put it spare. Everything is made from imported Italian plastic that could withstand at least 200 sterilization cycle, saves time, saves the energy, saves space on your deck, and still gets you the full flexibility and helps to concentrate on making the work done. In this case, to the prosthetic restorations of the DSI implant. Happy implant placement and see you in the next video.